How's it going? What's up and what's happening there? Blessed beautiful souls. Kiara Ducasse here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. So excited to be here with you yet again on the channel. Thank you for being here with me, my beautiful special community. Guys, we're growing and growing every single day. So thank you very, very, very much to all of you, because you're the reason I continue to do this. And of course, I have a huge passion for crypto and investing, and of course everybody in the world should be able to be investing, no matter if it's 10 rand or $10 or $100 or $1,000,000, whatever it is. Everybody should be investing their income that comes in. Of course, pay your bills, pay your expenses, etc., are very important too, and that's why investing will help you with that at a later stage in your life, but it won't help you today. I actually did a compound calculator earlier on, because I'm invested in Veracity. So Veracity pays you 0.0411% per day, which is the equivalent of 15% per year. And you need X amount, you need 10,000 coins to stake. So of course you have to make sure that there's enough coins. If you had enough coins, and I won't do the math for you, I'm just using it as an example, but if you had enough coins to be able to make 10,000 coins per day, that would become compound interest. And essentially you would be compounding that 10,000 coins every day. You would put it back in, and you would be earning now, if you started with 100,000 coins and you got 10,000 coins tomorrow because of the interest, daily interest, you would then to have 110,000 coins that the 0.0411% is compounding on. So you grow you grow extremely slow in the beginning, but as your investment grows, your profit begins to, and your interest becomes very, very high. So be patient. And that's the thing about investing, is it isn't for sissies. You don't invest your money and pull your money out tomorrow. That's not how it works. Well, unless you're in Pepe, but yeah, of course, that is another interesting story on its own. But guys, for today in this video, I want to be very, very focused, and I want to talk about one of the coins that I've been speaking about to you for some time now. I did a video for you on it yesterday. It will probably be released tonight or tomorrow morning, so make sure to hit that notification bell. That is the first part of what I'm about to show you, because it itself has a tremendous capacity to become a very, very big coin. It is one of the top 10, if I'm correct. So yeah, let's go and see what this coin can do, because now this coin, I'm about to battle it out and compare it to one of the top 2. And now you know what I'm saying. So I've been speaking to you guys about making more crypto on the channel, and that is by taking one crypto and putting it into buying another crypto with that crypto, and then selling the crypto that you bought at a specific level to buy back on the original crypto that you had, waiting patiently for it to go back to specific levels that we will have a look at here in the next moment. So guys, today on this video, we're going to be having a look at the difference between Litecoin and Ethereum. Right now, this is the hourly time frame. So I just want to be very, very basic to you, and I'm going to use this as a huge example now. So we hit a major resistance level. So you would have used Litecoin to buy Ethereum at this point, okay? So you buy, and then you sell your Ethereum into Litecoin as the example, okay? But I'm going to be very, very specific in this, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm referring to. So so as you can see, there's a huge volume of sell on the 1 hour, okay, which is telling us at this level where there's a major resistance. There's horizontal and downsloping resistance. So we're probably going to get a bit of a sell-off here in the moment. So let's go and have a look on the higher time frames, because this is the strategy on the weekly, the daily, and the monthly. This is where you should build this long-term strategy on building your crypto holdings and your crypto portfolio. So now let's go and do a very, very big zoom in. As the example, you can see we've had massive, massive drawdowns. Let's go even onto the weekly quickly. And I just want to give you guys a very, very, very big example of this at the moment. So look how far we've come down. Litecoin used to be pretty much 5x the value of Ethereum, but that all changed however long ago. Now, what I want to show you is, okay, so what I want to show you is this right here. Okay, so let's ignore all of the other stuff right now. We know that there's a trend that's busy coming out here at the moment. That's where we might come to. We know that this is an upward sloping trend as well. And right now we have a down sloping trend that we're looking to break out of. We're oversold on the RSI here. This is on the weekly time frame. Now, what I wanted to say and show you guys is essentially, yes, we could have a pullback down here, but that's really insignificant when you're looking at the larger time frames. And that's why I'm saying look at the larger time frames. So once we get up here and we break this resistance, there's a fair amount of resistance at this level, but the majority of the resistance is here at this level, as you can see, which we try to get back up and we failed, so we came back down. So let's talk about this and what you do. So if you don't know what I'm saying, then please let me know down in the comments below. I am going to do more videos like this with other cryptocurrencies. You guys already know that I've been doing it with Ethereum. So I did, where did I do it? I did Ethereum versus Ripple. I did QNT versus BTC. I have done this one, Cardano versus ETH, and AVAX, BTC versus ETH over here. So I'm going to continue to do these videos, but if you don't understand what I'm saying, then let me know down in the comments below. But right now, the RSI is oversold. So what it is basically saying to us is that we want to be able to buy Ethereum using Litecoin at this point. Okay, right. Hopefully you get that. Now, what you want to do is you want to allow the trade to do its thing, okay, and let it run its course. And then you want to buy Ethereum with your Litecoin. Sell your Ethereum for Litecoin over here. Now, what that's going to do is when this pulls back, you're going to earn, because you bought that much Ethereum, now you're going to let it run down and then you're going to use your Litecoin. So you've sold your Ethereum for Litecoin, and now you're going to use your Litecoin again to buy your Ethereum, and then the same thing. Okay, so let's have a look at the percentage gains right now that you could make. Even let's just do your first small little percentage gain up to here is a 41% gain. Okay, now let me leave that there for you guys to just mull over in your head quickly. Okay, so if you started off with, let's just say 10 Litecoin and, okay, let's just say 10 Litecoin you're starting off with, okay, and you've now, you had 0 ETH, okay, so you started off with your 10 Litecoin. Your 10 Litecoin is currently a little bit under, well, you'd need about 20 Litecoin to have 1 Ethereum. So I'm just going to use the 10 Litecoin as the example, okay? But if you had 10 Litecoin, okay, you would then buy Ethereum with your Litecoin, and you would make 41% on your Ethereum, okay? So you essentially would turn your 10 Litecoin into almost 20 Litecoin, but you're buying Ethereum. So if I'm not making sense, let me know, because I'm pretty sure I am. But if you had to basically take this all the way up to here, you would basically have your 10 Litecoin, okay, bought into your Ethereum. You would now at that point have pretty much just over 1 Ethereum by trading this. So you would probably have about, okay, let's not make this complicated. Let's just say it's a 1-to-1 at this point. Okay, I know it's not a 1-to-1, but let's just say that. So for simplicity's sake. So at this point, you would now have 1.4 Ethereum. Okay, you can choose to sell it. Okay, because you bought 1 Ethereum down here with your 1 Litecoin, and then you sold, and then you're selling it up here for 40% more than what you bought it for down here, which means that you would now have 1.4 Ethereum, okay, just with your 1 Litecoin. Now, if you had to let it run up to here, you would basically have 2.5 Ethereum with your one Litecoin. Am I making sense to you? So your gains here might not be dollar-wise in the beginning. They might not be like massive, but if you look at the accumulation and where Litecoin is going, where Ethereum is going, where Bitcoin is going, where Ripple, etc., the ones that I've already showed you and compared them to other coins, these have massive potential to make you more crypto, which essentially crypto is going to increase in its value. Okay, so what you're going to be looking for now, guys, this is one of the biggest secrets in crypto. Okay, very, very, very little people talk about it, and I don't know why. I wish I knew this trick when I started trading crypto, because I would probably be very, very wealthy today. But because of it, and I'm only trading my crypto with dollars and I'm selling into dollars, it doesn't actually make nearly as much crypto, therefore dollars, for you. Now remember, if the dollar's going down, yes, forget about the short term. Over the long term period, this is what we're referring to, it will go down. Okay, so if you've now with your one Litecoin made 1.5 2.5 Ethereum, doesn't that make sense? Now you've got 2.5 Ethereum to buy your Litecoin, so you'll now buy 2.5 Litecoin at this point. Okay, and now your 2.5 Litecoin, you'll then exit it down here, and you would make 44% of your 2.5 Litecoins. So call it 1.25 more Litecoin. So now you have 3.75 Litecoin, and you sell the 3.75 Litecoin for Ethereum at this point, and now you then take the 3.5 Ethereum that you've got, and you then trade it back up to here. And now on your 3.75 Litecoin, you've made 125%. Let's go and look what that looks like on a calculator. Okay, because now my math is going to become a little challenging. Okay, so 3.75 plus 125% gives you 4.68. So now you have 4.7 Ethereum when you sell it out at this kind of level. Okay, then you sell out your Ethereum and you come back down. Now that's mad, guys. If you were patient enough to wait and you took one Litecoin and this chart eventually got back up all the way to the top, I don't know if it will ever do that, but let's just say it gets back up to this zone over here. Guys, you would literally take your one Litecoin and you would convert your one Litecoin into 7 Ethereum. Okay, so you started with one Litecoin and now you have 7 Ethereum. So you see what I'm saying? There's a lot of moves in this market that you can make, and essentially that trade from there would come to, yeah, I would say it would probably come to this next level. So you would essentially have 7 Ethereum using your using the 3.5 Litecoin. So doesn't this make sense to trade like this instead of trading against the dollars? To be honest with you, trading against dollars or with dollars should be for leverage trading. You don't have to do leverage on this, because you can see how much you can. People do 3 to 5x leverage on this, so you're making much more. But essentially, this is a beautiful strategy that you guys should consider using in your trading, okay? Because obviously this is a very, very fundamental way for us to make profits. So if you guys enjoyed the video, I want to see at least 20 smash up thumbs on this video, and let's see if you want me to make another video like this. These are going to be very special videos for you guys, so they'll be far and few between, but I will do them, and I want to hear you guys make noise so that it motivates me to do more of them like this for you, because I can do a lot of them, but I want the support from you in the community and the channel, and that's all I ever ask for. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for anything else but a like and perhaps a little bit of a share. And if you feel like commenting, great, that would be much appreciated. But as you can see, my vertical lines here, this happens in cycles. learn the cycles, put this stuff on your trades. If you guys want to learn more of this from me, then let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.